Okay. So, okay. Anong guys can record? Okay. Mag-send na lang kung ano ninyo copy. Okay. So, saan na ba tato? Okay. So now, so ADM 1, okay, is sa region. Okay, ato i-click, double click. Okay, mag-create tag another group. Okay. Okay, this group is muna itong i-open. Okay. Then ato na okay. So by region. Okay. So muna ang ato ang ADM 1. Okay. Now, if you're using ADM 2 is ang iyang gi-represent ana niya is by province. Okay. Province of Southern Leyte, then also the province of Leyte, Samar. Okay. So muna mag-represent niya. Then if you're going to ADM 3, okay, so ADM 3 is ayan gi-represent po na ang mga different municipalities in each province. Okay. So muna. Okay. So in your activity is I will be providing na-provide naman ko ninyo no katong sa mga lates. Okay, na-provide ko ninyo og shape files consisting 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. But for now, we're just using 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So, karon, how are we going to create a new data sets from this na shape file? Okay. So, simple lang. Okay. Ang atong pag-create og another data sets is that ato na siyang i-right click, then attributes table. So as you can see, natay shape, length, shape area. Ang ihang ADM 3 is ang value niya sa okay, Abukay, muna ang mga munisipyo. Okay? Then also naputay gitawag na ADM P code. So I'll be discussing this atong next na topic. Okay? Then next is natay ADM 2 kung asa siya na belong na province. Okay? Then ihang code, then ADM 1 kung asa na belong na region. Okay, then also ADM 1 P code, Philippine code is kung unsa ihang PH code. Okay, so mura na. Every ADM is na corresponding na PH code. Okay. And also this P code is being utilized throughout sa mga government na mga data. Okay. So if you're talking about COVID, if you're talking about populations, okay, anything is represented by this P code, especially if there is a spatial na representation niya. Okay. Okay, so muna na. So now, since we are mag-select man to no, mag-create man tag another na data set. So, itong buhaton is that go to this selection tool. Okay. Click na to ni. Then after clicking na, so nimo pop out na panel, okay, which mag-select ta kung unsa na expression ang nato ang himuon. Okay. So since now atong i-select is only, okay. So for example, ato i-select no is ang sugod lang no. Kaya nga naman maghimo man ta og another data sets from extracting a certain data sets from this shape file. Okay. So ADM 3, ato na siyang i-double click. Then equals, then after equals, okay, so ADM 3 is considered as a variable. Okay. Okay. Now, ato na siya i-click ng all unique, then ato i-search. So good. Okay. So asa kanina po na nasugod no. Kaya daghan na bang sugod? Okay. Ato naman tanawon kung usa sorry. Ato tanawon kung saan nasugod ang iyang gi-select. Okay. Now after that, select features. Okay. Pag select features, boom. Okay, ato na i-close, then also ato pa ning i-close. Okay, but before closing the eye, okay, ato sa i-click ning move selection to the top. Kaya ato i-make sure kung sisugod ra ba gud na Southern Leyte ang ato ang gi-select, no? So, click. Okay, so nay duha ka sugod ang gi-select. Okay, unsa may nasugod di siya ang usa? Sugod na Cebu. Okay. And also we have a sugod na Southern Leyte. So ato ning i-deselect ni usa. Okay. Okay, sugod Southern Leyte. Okay, sugod Southern Leyte na lang ang na ibilid. Okay. So next is we are going to extract this shapefile na to ang i-select. Okay, to create another na dataset. Export, then save selected features as. Then let's change the format. So I change ang format into AS3I ESRI shapefile. Okay. Okay. So for example, school files ato sa research, no. Okay. Sample. Okay. Okay, ito pangalan ni siya og sugod or SGD-SO. Okay. Para Southern Leyte, SGD-SL. Okay, then make sure na shapefile. Then save. Then, okay. So, we will be prompted also kung unsa na CRS atong gamiton. Okay, so, atong gamiton, for the meantime, atong gamiton is QGIS 84. Okay, so from that, nanakay another na data sets. Okay, so nanatay own data sets. Now, okay, so part of your activity is that ang dapat ang sugod lang ang mo, okay, ang malaid. Okay, so now we are now changing the properties. Okay, so to change the properties, right click, then properties, then kung mga tanaw ka nga sa left side, nasa daghang mga tools, we were going to select the symbology. Okay, okay, symbology na yan na tool. Then atong tanong, atong i-click ng simple fill niya, then atong alisdan. Okay, so ito yung butangan ni puti, tapos gray. Then ang opacity atong gamyon, then apply. Okay, so at least, okay, at least ang sugod lang ang maklaro. Okay, now how are you going to put a label into your extracted na data sets? Okay, so atong buhaton, since magbutang man tag label, okay, click, then right click or pwede right click lang dayon, no? Right click, then properties or double click. Okay, double click nimo, left click ha ang pag double click, then okay, then so symbology man to atong gipili ganiha. Now below that symbology is natin gitawag na control features labeling. Okay, so na rin nato makita kung unsay atong gusto i-display niya sa atong labels. Okay, so for now, select single labels. After selecting single labels, okay, okay, since kini si sugod is representing ADM3, so we will be using ADM3. So what will happen if ADM2 atong gamiton? Okay, so atong testingan, apply. So ang makita is Southern Leyte. So kay ADM2 matugiri gitawag na value to contain the variable. Okay, na atong i-display. But for now, since ang atong i-display man is pangan sa sugod, okay, so atong i-select ng ADM3. Okay, but if we're going to display ang iyang P code, Philippine code, is ang iyang PH code po yung display. So karon ADM3 atong gamiton, apply. Then since kung daghan na gani po ng mga text, so it will be much better if we're going to apply a text buffer. Okay, then apply. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so at least na-apply na nato, no? Okay, so si sugod na. Okay, okay, now so gusto nato pod na tan-aw nato kung asa ra na nabilong si sugod na boundary. Okay. So now mag-extract na po tag another data, okay, another data, no? From the EDM2. Okay, ngayon sa EDM2 dayon sa EDM2. Okay. Sa EDM2 is nagrepresent siya sa province. Okay. So ang ato lang i-select is ang province of Southern Leyte. Okay. So since the province of Southern Leyte man, so ato ning i-select, right click, then attributes table, then selection tool. Okay, sir, can I select certain value, sir, just by clicking? Yes, you can select. Okay, you can also select, but laborious siya since we are dealing with hundreds of data. Okay, so now para mas dali ka, atong ipili yung selection tool. Okay, then you go to fields. Then, since we are using atong kaon is ang ihamang province, okay, so EDM2, then pwede ka mo click na rin, equals, then all unique, then to search ang Southern Leyte. Okay, now, taas ang atong confidence level na si Southern Leyte is, usar sa kabok Southern Leyte ang tip sa tibok Pilipinas. Okay, so, at least, dali na kayo siya ma-choose. Okay, now, pero, make sure lang hapon na huwag i-apply sa Southern Leyte. So, ato na pong i-move ang ato ang gi-select padong sa top. Okay, so, usara dyan. Then, check it kung sa region 8 pa siya. Okay. Then, close. So, na-select na nato si region 8. Si Southern Leyte. Then, ato na siya pong i-extract. Okay. Export. Then, save selected features. Then, okay, ang yung format. Good. Then, ato siyang i-save na rin. Okay. SO, SL, SL, tapos R8. Okay. As SL R8, since we are Southern Leyte, then coming from region 8. Okay. Then, save. Then, 84 again. Then, okay. So, don't change all the other values nasa below. Okay. Okay. Then ato ning i-close. Okay, then ato i-bring back balik si. Okay, now let's change its properties. Okay, go to properties, then again symbology. Okay. Then ato lang siyang kuluran og red. Okay, ato siyang i-transparent fill. Okay, gusto nato walay fill ang yan ko ang tapos atong kulor og red. Then apply. Then, gusto nato na i-display na si Southern Leyte. Go to label, then single labels, then select ADM2, then apply, then draw some buffer. Okay. So, can I change the color also, sir? Yes, you can change the color by clicking text, then click blue, then apply. Okay, now na. Okay. So, naka-follow mo? Okay. So it's recorded man po ni. Okay. So, that's it. So, naka-create na taog, duha ka dataset, which is Sugod and Southern Leyte. Now, how are we going to apply a symbology? Okay, how are we going to apply more symbol? Okay, and more design. Okay, so mag-apply tag design, no? Okay, so first na itong button is that, for example, gusto nato no si SL Southern Leyte is taga na to siya emphasis na Southern Leyte jud siya. Okay, go to symbology. Okay, then below symbology is natay layer in the ring. Then click this draw effects. Clicking draw effects, then click the star button. Okay, then click drop shadow, then apply. Okay. Okay, same to sa kini sa sugod. Draw effects, then drop shadow. Okay, now, sir, how are we going to add our grid lines and also the coordinates, okay, the north arrow, okay. So also we are going to add our decorations, okay. So gitawag lang nila decorations pang but if you're going to create a layout, okay, dili na siya decorations, okay. Okay, so in adding a grid, okay, go to view, then decorations, then click grid, enable grid, kasi nga to i-apply, okay na apply no. Okay, atong lipsan gamay kay bagara. Okay, so how are you going to change the thickness of the line? Okay, by clicking this you can change the color, but by clicking the button where the symbol encased, okay, so mupapot ang another na panel para imo ma-modify ang imuhang line. Okay, so for me akong gibutang is 6 lang, then apply, tanaw na to sa kanipsa. Okay, good. Draw annotation, so kung sa may ipang-annotate, so iyang ipang-annotate is ang iyang mga coordinates. Okay, okay, vertical, so i-apply, okay, datong gamay ang font size, okay, ang iyang precisions, okay, okay, so na. Okay, so di na nato i-vertical, horizontal and vertical. Okay, na. Okay, so kami bahala kung sa inyong paghimuan okay. Okay, basta lang kayo naagya po na makita na ingyan Okay, then how are you going to add a scale bar? Okay, ang scale bar is a representation kung unsay pilay distance, okay, sa imuhang area, okay, for some map na imong gi-project. So decoration, then scale bar, enable scale bar, okay. So atong i-apply ni, okay, so darang restaas. Atong ni siyang ibutang sa top, bottom center. Okay, apply, okay. Tick up, okay, then okay. Then itong tanawon ng distance, horizontal, kaya ang kalayoon niya sa kilid, kini ang vertical niya sa kalayoon niya sa ubos, okay, 5. Okay, ato ipato pa increase, kaya nang mugawas siya, ato ang coordinates 8, no, 9. Okay, so na. Okay, size of the bar, okay. Kasi na to 20. Okay, na. Next is how are we going to enable, okay, our north arrow. Okay, simple lang yapon, decoration, then north arrow. Okay, then enable. Okay, always click enable. Then testing is apply kung sa dapita. Okay, na nga rito north arrow. So atong ibutang nga rin sa top right. Okay, so top right, okay, apply. Okay, then ang iyahang horizontal, okay, gikan sa kilid atong putangan siya boundary nas 6. Then ang vertical niya gikan sa babaw is butangan na to og 9. Okay, 9 na lamang, okay, para dili kayo sa mo abot of, okay. Or you can add your own na nasaman north arrow, okay, mangita ka just by clicking this, okay. Okay, so itong piliyon na rin dada. Kini. Okay, apply. Okay, so nausob na. Okay, then click apply. Okay. Then title label. Okay, so mato sa ibutang na title label. Okay. Kita tag province of Southern Leyte. Okay. So, itong button, pwede na ito nigi semi-bold. Okay. Then, Tacoma. Okay. Then, ang iyang kadakpan. Then, okay. Then, apply. Okay. So, baga-baga man ang iyang code, iyang background. So, ato siyang nipsan-nipsan. Okay. Iyang opacity. Ato i-click ni. Opacity niya. Then, apply. Okay. Then, margin niya. Vertical. Atong butangan ng gamay na margin na 6. Then, apply. Okay. Good. Then, butangan to copyright label. Okay. So, in map creation is mas madyo nang na kay copyright label. Okay. Then, apply na. Itong apply na. Okay. So, na kay copyright label nimo. Okay. Then, click OK. Okay. So, nara. Then, so if you're going to export this, how are you going to do this? Okay, just go to project, then okay. But first na itong button is save your project. Okay, save your project. Okay, then save as. Okay. Import or export map to image. Okay. So then map expand to canvas. Okay, kung sa kadakatong canvas mo po na iyahang i-print o i-save. Okay, so ato i-adjust gamay, no? Na di siya mag-abot na ibabaw. Then okay, good. Okay. Append geofence information embedded or via Word file. Okay. Then, save. Then, asa man ito yung save ni. Ito volume D sa inyong subject. Then, nga rin sa inyong GIS course syllabus. Then, tingnan natin na second activity. Okay. So, pangalan natin na second activity. Then, ito. Pili ito. Answer. Then, save. Okay. Now, if we're going to locate our file, nag-save. Okay. D, school files, then GIS course syllabus, then go to your sample, creating new datasets, then ato ning click ni. Okay, so mo na ninyong final output. Okay. So, in your second activity, okay, create a map just look like this. Okay? Okay, muna yung second activity. Then, so, sir, asa man na mo i-sending ang mga activities? Okay. Okay, you will be not sending your activities sa atong Google Classroom, but instead of, you are going to create your own website portfolio para sa inyong mga project. Okay. So, asa man yung buhatan? Okay. Okay. So, go to your Google Classroom. Okay. Go to your Google Classroom. Okay. First, i-download sa ninyo ni, and then at the same time, inyong attendance for today. Go to your Google Classroom, then, so, may napapagamay. Click this, okay, beside sa inyong icon, sa inyong image icon. Then, go to Sites. Okay. So, next, click on niyo ng Sites. Okay. So, I created a while ago. Okay, na sample-sample lang. Wala pa na isulod. Okay. So, i-click ninyo yung sites. Then, so, pwede mo mag-create ninyong group name. Okay. Pwede nyo i-modify ang inyong website ninyo. Okay. Anything you do. Okay. Bahala ka. Kamoy bahala. Okay. Then, nga rin ipabutang inyong content. Okay. Kung asa dapita sa website ninyo ibutang inyong content. Okay. Okay. Mas ninyo tan-awon, mas maayo. Okay? So, project name. Okay? Then, add your members. Okay? Okay. Ang inyo lang i-add sa inyong project is kung kinsay member kasi kauban ninyo sa inyong sa inyong capstone. Okay? So click ninyo na tapos inyong classmates. Okay? Or mag-send mo og links. Okay? Okay? Click ka nga ra. Okay? Click niyo yung mga kasi yung mga kaila. Okay? Share with people and groups. Okay. So, after that, done. So, after nyo ma-share, so, and make sure po sa inyong mga project is inyo kung di-appeal ha. I-appeal ko ninyo og share. Okay. I-appeal ko ninyo og add. Para ma-check nako. Okay. Para makita nako. Then after that, pwede nyo i-publish. Then after publishing, so, pwede mo mag-create sa inyong kagalingan. Okay. Sa may inyong kagalingan website. Okay. Okay. Custom domain. Okay. www. Okay. .sally.com. Okay. Use lowercase letters, numbers, and dashes. Okay. Okay, so i-follow na lang ang instructions niya. Okay. So and then after publishing, okay. So mag-create ko og link nga rin sa atong room kung asan niyo i-send niyo ang inyong mga links. Okay, para every time na natin activity, so dili na lang kumugtan-tanaw nga rin no. At least nga rin na lang kumugtan-tanaw sa inyong website. At the same time, mutan-tanaw lang ta sa inyong, for example, sa inyong activity 1. Okay, may butang mga rin. Activity 1. Okay. Activity 1, then activity 2. Example lang ni, kamo na ibahala kung sa inyo ang pag-design. Total, mga pro naman mo. Okay? So, butang ninyo na, tapos ini-click ninyo, na ito makita na ito, mga pictures, ang mga, okay, usa may inyong i-include sa inyong okay. So, instead of project name, okay, ato lang ibutang nga rin is GIS portfolio. Okay? Muna lang nato ibutang. Okay? GIS portfolio. Okay? GIS portfolio. Nato ibutang nga ra. Then, don't forget na i-write po ninyo inyong mga members. Kung asa depitan ninyo ganahan ibutang inyong mga members or ganahan mo mag-add og mga pictures inyong members. Okay? You can do that. Then, every activity, dapat i-click na ko na. For example, is nga to mga contents. Okay? Kung saan nyo pag-add og page. Okay? So, dili man sa inyo na makahatag ninyo ka ng dako-dako na work time. It's because drag and drop naman po ni siya. Okay. Then, click lang ka sa mga attributes. Change ang mga values. So, muna. It's up to you na lang kung saan ninyo pag-create sa inyong website. Then, pwede ka mag-add new page. Okay. Yung katakag about our team or about our groups. Okay. Okay, kasi mga members. Okay. About us. Okay. New page. Okay. Okay, or nga rin na lang din ninyo ang GIS portfolio. Okay. So, it's up to you kung saan ninyo panindot ninyo ang portfolio. Okay. So, at least, ang inyong portfolio is web-based yan, no? Okay. So, nindot siya tanawon. Okay. So, that's it sa inyong activity 2. And don't forget na inyo ni-create at the same time inyo pong i-add ang inyong mga members. Okay. Okay. So, tanaw po na ako ni kung maka-add ba gajud mo since dili man kamo ang loading. Okay. So, i-type na siguro ang inyong mga okay. Editor can publish permission and add new people. Okay. So, add din yung mga Gmails yung kauban. Then, every time na mag-check ko, okay, tanaw lang nako, okay, kinsa ang nag-isay na angad to. Then, mag-ask lang ko question depending sa inyong content. Okay. So, sa activity ninyo, sa inyong kailangan ang image. And also, pwede mo mag-picture, mag-selfie mo sa inyong paghimo sa inyong activity or screenshots. Okay? Any details ninyo ang mag-gathered. Okay? Then, pwede nyo magbutang mo gamay og mga description. For example, 12 a.m. still working with this activity and okay, together with my classmates. Okay, so dagon sa ragad. Okay, at least makita na to na sa portfolio ninyo is namoy gi-workout. So okay, yan na lang. Okay. So ato na nang stop na itong recording.